Zendesk offers a customer relationship management solution to help businesses manage customer interactions and improve relationships. Here's how to use Zendesk CRM. Centralized customer data. Zendesk CRM centralizes customer information from various channels, including email, chat, phone calls, and social media interactions, providing a comprehensive view of each customer. Ticketing system. Utilize Zendesk's ticketing system to track and manage customer inquiries, issues, and requests. Tickets can be assigned, prioritized, and escalated as needed, streamlining customer support processes. Automation and workflows. Implement automation and workflows to streamline repetitive tasks, such as routing tickets to the appropriate teams or sending automated responses to common inquiries, improving efficiency and response times. Knowledge base. Create and maintain a knowledge base within Zendesk CRM, providing customers with self-service resources to find answers to common questions and troubleshoot issues independently. Reporting and analytics. Leverage reporting and analytics tools to gain insights into customer support performance. Track key metrics like response times and resolution rates, and identify areas for improvement. Integration. Integrate Zendesk CRM with other business systems and tools, such as marketing automation platforms or e-commerce platforms, to ensure seamless data flow and enhance customer experiences. Customer engagement. Engage with customers across multiple channels, including email, chat, social media, and phone, to provide personalized support and build stronger relationships.